Hello everyone, welcome to the Zobi Wear channel where you're taught various crafts, DIYs, and how to crochet. Remember to subscribe for more content like this. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys tools for crochet, how to hold a crochet hook, and how to make a slip knot. Firstly, we begin with our tools. The first thing you're going to need is your scissors. Any old scissors will do. Secondly, our crochet hook or hooks. We'll get a better picture of these hooks in various videos, but this is the 4.50 millimeter hook and this is a 3.50 millimeter crochet hook. Thirdly, we're going to need our yarn. This is the Red Heart Super Saver yarn. Weight 4, medium weight. 100% acrylic is best for beginners. I would recommend it. And it is in the color pumpkin. And lastly, our measuring tape, of course, for measuring. Now onto our slip knots. This is the crochet hook, 4.50, and this is how I hold my crochet hook. Any way that is suitable for you is great. Please do that if you're comfortable with it. Now I'm gonna just place the yarn between my index finger and my thumb, and then we're going to make a loop on my index finger. There's an X there. I'll place my thumb on that X, pull up that loop that was made, and push the longest piece of yarn through that loop. Then we're going to pull that through. Yes, there we go. And remember, you can rewind, pause this video to see it again. Alright, so another method of doing the slip knot, same method, but this time with the crochet hook. All I'm gonna do is bring up that piece, that longest piece of yarn, through with the crochet hook. Sometimes you struggle, but with practice you get it. And there we have it, a slip knot. So this is how I hold my yarn generally, and there's a struggle. And this is another way that most persons hold their yarn, but I find it to be very uncomfortable, so I don't do that at all. Back to how I hold my yarn. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I will make sure to do a chain video. Check out my other videos. Thank you.